Aaron, Pierre, that's what's up. Aaron, I am not crazy. I am trying to explain something here. Why do content marketers like using viral trends to connect with audiences? Hence the Pierre. You get me? Hey guys, welcome to Anything Content. My name is Naomi Salami, and if you're new here, please subscribe because I'm me. And also you'll be getting certain tips for anything concerning content marketing, whether it's content creation, whether it's SEO writing, whether it's content writing, whether it's, you just name it. All right. So you guys remember that Pierre trend it wasn't really a trend, it was a sound that was going viral. And if you notice, a lot of people keyed into it. Both those that were married and those that were single. Yeah, a lot of people used it to go viral in that instant. I even think it's still trending. So now I'm going to explain why content marketers also jump on viral trends in order to connect with their audiences. So number one, increased visibility. Viral trends are great at capturing attention. It allows you to reach certain people that you haven't reached before. It puts your brand on a bigger audience scale. Number two, relatability. By jumping on viral trend, content marketers show their audience that they know what's up, that they are in vogue, and they know what's trending. It's a way of saying, I know that this trend is what's going on now, and we are on top of our game, yeah? So it allows your audience to connect to you. For example, there was a reel I posted back in December, and for the first time, my video kind of hit more than 1,000 views without any ads, which was a great milestone for me because it was relatable. A lot of girls could relate to it. I got a lot of likes and it reached a lot of people. And I've tried to maintain that momentum that I gained in December. Viral trends are also good for engagement boost. It's a viral trend. So it's going to spark shares. It's going to spark comments. It's going to spark likes. It's a way for your brand page to keep buzzing, at least in that small window. If you get it right. If the text or however you jumped on it is relevant to your brand and it connects to your audience. Next point, it's fun. Viral trends are fun. Yeah, it's a way of putting your brand out there as people-based. Your audience gets to see a certain side of you guys that you might not be posting about often. Next point. When it comes to viral trend, timing is key because viral trends don't always last forever. So if you post on a trend that has long gone, the reach you would have gotten when it first came out would be less. It's all about timing. Next point. It also helps for brand awareness. People that have not seen your content before, that have not been opportunity to see your content before, that trend would help you be put in their face. So it's a case of, oh my God, I haven't seen these people before. Why am I just seeing them now? So if you're using TikTok, and you post certain trends there. Thank God for the feature on TikTok that allows you know when certain people have checked your profile. Note this, try and see how many people checked your profile after that viral trend, if it was relevant and if it sparks the reaction you wanted it to spark. Viral trends are easy to repurpose. Very easy. But it can be kind of hard to know the text you're going to place on it. For example, this Dolce song that is trending, Denial is a River. It's one thing to dance to it. It's another thing to put a text on it that would be relatable to your audience and would also make sense for your brand. If that viral trend doesn't seem to make sense, you don't seem to be coming up with something that makes sense for it, just drop it. Also, viral trends don't have to be just sounds. It could be memes. Remember that Rihanna Superbowl performance that had everybody buzzing? Yes, the sound was trending, but the pictures from that event was also trending. A lot of brands used it to make funny memes that we put on stories on your Instagram feed, on their TikTok. It was a whole rave thing. So trends could be pictures, popular celebrity event pictures, something that just happened in the moment, that Will Smith, the slap moment. Yeah, that picture was used a lot by some brands as well. It was an unfortunate incident, but it was also used. A trend's a trend, right? As long as you can find something that totally relates to your brand and can connect with your audience. So, side notes, it is not every trend you hop on. If that trend has a bad rep, avoid it. You see that it's going popular for the wrong things, don't even attempt it, because you would not want your brand to be linked to something negative. It's going to make you come off as insensitive and it won't make sense at all. We don't want that. So these are some of the reasons why content marketers love using viral trends to connect with their audiences. That's the end of this video. Hopefully the next video I post is going to be as engaging, educative, and fun as this one. See you guys in my next video. Bye.